To make the vegan sponge cake, you're going to need 400 grams of self-raising flour, 200 to 240 grams of caster sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 400 milliliters of almond milk, or any non-dairy milk will do fine, 160 mils of a flavorless oil. I'm using vegetable oil, but you can also use sunflower oil, and 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Line a cupcake tin and fill it up 2/3 of the way with the batter. And I'm using an ice cream scoop for this. Place in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. To decorate the cupcakes, you're going to need raspberries, some fresh raspberries, sprigs of mint leaves, and I've just separated the mint leaves more or less individually, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of melted apricot jam. To decorate, you take a teaspoon and make a small well in the middle of the cupcake. You're going to take out about that much. And then you take a raspberry, dip it into the apricot jam, and then place it into the middle of the cupcake. And then you do that again with another one. So you're going to fill it up. And then you take a mint leaf and place it at the side, and put your final raspberry on top. And that's it, you've decorated your cupcake. So you keep going until all the cupcakes are done. Thank you for watching all the way to the end, and just before you go, let me tell you about some things that I do that might be useful for you. Watch my TV series on Amazon Prime. I have a 3-part series on Amazon Prime called Kirly-sue's Global Kitchen, which features some delicious vegan recipes, and it's filmed on location in London and also in Jamaica. Get a copy of my kids' cookbook. I have a vegan cookbook for kids and parents which won the Wise Woman Award. It has easy to follow recipes you can make for your children. Now, vegan cooking for children is easier than you think. In my book, you will find simple and easy to follow recipes using ingredients that are easy to find and are probably already in your kitchen cupboard. I have a vegan cookbook on Amazon called Kirly-sue's Sweet Treats. Many people ask, what kind of desserts can vegans have? They seem not to be able to think beyond fruit salad. As lovely as fruit salad is, there are many more options, and vegan desserts can be real culinary delights. In my book, I've put together a selection of recipes for sweet treats that are easy, tasty, and fun to make, including cookies, cakes, and smoothies, as well as desserts that range from fresh and healthy to deliciously decadent. Brand deals and collaborations. I've worked with many brands over the years, and I'm always happy to consider more. I love doing collaborations with different brands and helping them to promote their product, and anything that is suitable for vegans or is a sustainable product, please reach out to me. My email is in the description box below. Bookings for film and TV. I have been working in television since I was 7 years old, and I love doing television. I have appeared on film and TV many times. I am a member of the British Actors Equity Association, and I'm also on Spotlight. If you'd like to see the link to my Spotlight so you get details of my agent, if you want to book me for film or television, click the link in the description below. I do cooking courses, one-off classes, and also a number of classes across a number of weeks, and I do that for many different groups: corporate, schools, colleges, different kinds of groups, religious groups, any kind of group of people who want to learn to cook vegan food. I'm more than happy to do a course for you or a one-off class. If you're interested in booking me, please see the email in the description box below. I'll be more than happy to discuss with you. I have a number of different books on Amazon. I have a range of different recipe journals, and I also have a meal planner on there as well. Links are in the description below. Go and have a look. And finally, follow me on social media. I'm on Facebook, X, formerly known as Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, TikTok, LinkedIn, you name it, I'm there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll see more videos just like this one. Eat good, eat clean, eat blessed. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah, mwah, mwah. See you next time. Bye.